How to change your region in Roblox. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your region in Roblox. So if you're having trouble with your account location or want to switch regions for better access or gameplay, just follow along step by step. I'll make it super simple. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Roblox and click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down, select Help and Safety. Next, click on Help Center. Once the Help Center opens, click on Roblox Account. Then, in the top right search bar, type Account Location. Now, scroll down until you find the Need More Help, Contact Support here, and click on it. Here's where we'll actually request the region change. Start by filling in your contact information correctly, your email and username. Then move to the Issue Details section. Under What device are you having the problem on? Select the device you're using, PC, mobile, or console. For type of help, choose How To, and under Category, select Change My Location. Now in the description box, you can write something like this. Hi Roblox support, I'd like to change my account region from X to Y. Please update my location. Thank you. Remember to replace X and Y with your actual regions. Once you've done that, click Continue to send your request. And that's it. There's no direct button to change your region in Roblox, but this is the official and safest way to get it updated through Roblox support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.